Well, today we're taking the Unicorn for a spin. It has been sitting for quite a while because while I've been riding my other 98 VFR 800 for our road dirt tire test, the Unicorn has been sitting. So the great white bike and I are going to go get a little exercise. I live in Wenatchee and I have a ski resort only 7 miles from my town because, heck, I live in the Pacific Northwest. I'm a lucky camper. So I'm going to ride this up this twisty mountain road up to my local ski resort and give it a little exercise. Honestly, one of my favorite bikes to ride of my three. My other red VFR 800, great touring bike, but the fuel injection is a little jerky. My Super Hawk used to be a nice bike until I changed the gearing, took pounds off the flywheel, and it's kind of snappy. This bike, smooth carburation, beautiful, comfortable, smooth, not very fast, but it doesn't have to be. And then there's also that sound. Yeah, that V4 sound. Right when it goes up above 6 grand, kind of right there. Yeah. That's when it sounds amazing. Great things about this bike is the carburation is just incredibly buttery smooth, super comfortable and upright. The steering is a tad bit heavy, which I don't mind because it's very relaxing. You kind of sit in the bike instead of on the bike. Things I don't like about it, the front brakes are pure garbage. With braided steel lines, there's no power or no feel, and it is a heavy bike. So if you want to stop, like up here, you got to kind of plan ahead. Which brings us to some of the bad things about this road. You can see the gravel I just went through. You can see all the pullouts. There's a ton of gravel on this road. So you do have to kind of tiptoe in places and be careful. But other than that, freeway road. It ends at a ski resort. So if you know the road is clear, you can kind of have at it. But since I've got a GoPro, we're going to kind of go something casual. I'm not going to do anything really outrageous, or just kind of have a nice keep pace and enjoy, and let that V4 do what it does, which is sing. Like that. So, not a big engine, it's only 15 cc's. But with the carbon fiber exhaust on this, just gear-driven cams, oh, it just sounds tremendous. A lot of frosties on this road. Those, I'm not sure if it looks bad on camera, but it'll buck you out of your seat. You kind of have to know the road a little bit, know where the potholes are, know where the frosties are, kind of weight the pegs, kind of dirt bike style, use your legs as shock absorbers. We're not doing anything stupid. Around that pothole. Not a very long sprint up to the ski resort up here. It's a short sprint. The temperature drops, there's pine trees everywhere, and it's just a great little sprint. Keep your skills sharp, bike happy, makes me happy. Almost got a little air off that. We are. Good corn. So there we have it. Another day on the Unicorn. Still one of my favorite bikes of all time. Beautiful single-sided swing arm, wide 8-spoke rear wheel. Gorgeous bike.